Now we have a backup RS1508 from APC and an APC backup UPS battery pack, and I'm going to open this one and replace the 4 batteries. This is a 24 volt extra battery pack. Just having a quick glance at it, it's nothing really obvious when it comes to opening it up. You'll see there is 6 Phillips screws on the back, and underneath there's nothing really. So we'll see here how it should be done. Now having a look here now, you see that there isn't many ways to look how this separates, but you can see here that it's obviously 2 separate parts, and there's like a sliding slot there. Let's see here now what we need to get. Now with a Phillips head screwdriver, I'm going to pry it open here. Go, front panel off. Now, there's 3 additional screws here, as we can see. That's it. Now, we'll be able to slide one of the parts apart here. Let's see. Let's give it a bit of a nudge. There we go. That's it. Voila. 4 12 volt batteries here, 2 connected in series, connected with, so 1 pair connected in parallel with the other pair, so this is 24 volts, and they're all just hooked up nice and easy. Obviously, keep an eye on where the cables go, just in case you connect something wrong here and you end up having 3 in series and so forth, you know. But that's it. They come off very easily. Off they go to the connectors, and then back together. Slide it cover back on. There we go. Job done. Alrighty. So the batteries that come out of the APC UPSs are pretty much a standard 12 volt cell batteries, lead acid. These are 34 watts, and APC obviously has their own connection, which I'm sure they charge handsomely for, and this is just simply 2 batteries, 1 upside down connected in series to produce the 24 volts needed. So I mean, you can just buy 4 of these standard stuff, standard terminals, even the small terminals, they fit and jam 4 of them in the box, and that should be fine. 24 volts for you. Cheaper than buying a whole new battery backup pack for probably €300.